Hi everyone, how are you? It's nice to meet you all again. So today we are going to see Python installation. But before watching this video, make sure you watched all the before videos and subscribed. So let's start a video. So what we need to install for Python? First the interpreter and next the IDE. So what is an interpreter? As I said in my last video, I explained the interpreter and what is the difference between the interpreter and compiler. So an interpreter reads the code and line by line, whereas the compiler reads the whole code at the same time. Next, we should download the IDE, which stands for Integrated Development Environment. This is where you write your code. So let's start. How to install an interpreter? Open the Google application. Search for Python download. Click the first link you see. Scroll way down to downloads. Click the type of your system. Download the latest version. It can be 32 bits or 64 bits. If you follow this all step correctly, now you install the Python interpreter. I will show you how to install. As you can see guys, I opened the Google application and searched for Python download. As you can see, it is the first link. I'm clicking it and go way down until you see the downloads. So you should choose your type of system you're using. For example, now I'm choosing Windows. Make sure you are downloading the latest version, which has all the new features. So the latest version is 10.10 3.10.4. So download what you want. You can download 32 bit or 62 bit. For example, I'm downloading 64 bit. See, as you can see, it's downloading. Yeah, it's downloaded. That's all guys. Now you downloaded your interpreter. Now let's see how to install the IDE. There are many types of IDE. Now I will show you how to download the IDE called PyCharm. First, open the Google. Next, search for PyCharm download. Select your system type. Download the professional version or community version, but make sure professional version is paid version. If you follow this all step correctly, now you have your own Python IDE. I will show you how to download the PyCharm. So guys, as you can see, I searched for PyCharm download. So click the first link provided by jetbrains.com. So as you can see, there are three types of systems. You can choose what system you are using. For example, now I am choosing Windows. There are two types of downloading version. One is professional, one is community. The professional version is free for 30 days, but after that you should pay. So professional version is paid version, whereas the community version is free and open source. So for better, you can download the community version. So as you can see, it's downloading. So what about the ones who don't have system? So if you're the person who is interested in to learn Python but don't have a system, don't worry, there's always a solution. There are some IDE available for mobiles. You can download them on Play Store. So how to download? First, go to Play Store, search PyDroid 3 or QP Python 3L and install them. Now I will show you how to install them. Search for Pydroid. You can search Pydroid 3 directly or simply search Pydroid. It will first show you the Pydroid 3 version. I already installed, so I don't need to install again. But you should install the Pydroid 3. I am recommending Pydroid 3 because it supports more library, and also it supports library like Pygame, Tkinter, Matplotlib, etc. That's all for today. Now you have your own IDE. So from the next video, I will start posting the tutorial. So you can practice with me. If you have any doubts, you can ask me in the comment. Thank you.